My name is Charlie Curtis, and I'm here to tell you why I think you would enjoy coming to my presentation on Saturday morning, 21091, from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. It's on the intersection between hypnosis and mindfulness. 50 years ago, I lived in an ashram for 2 years, and since then I put in 54,750 hours meditating. Along the way, I discovered meditation and hypnosis are the same thing, called by different words. And so this morning, I was in a church service. I was invited to give the sermon on mindfulness meditation, and I was there to teach them a technique. And what I did was I took them in an induction really deep. In 4 minutes, I had them so deep. And then I told them about stop smoking and losing weight and all the different amazing things that a hypnotist can do. And I'm saying, you can take your hypnosis training and you can market it to people who are interested in mindfulness because it's the same experience. And I have lots of scientific stuff to tell you. I have boxes of books on it. It's a very exciting area. And I have found mindfulness people to be very open and very receptive to all of this. And so I think if you come, I will give you a whole new way to take your hypnosis practice, something you can do for fun, meet cool people, have great experiences with them, and show off your awesome skills and make some good money as a hypnotist at the same time.